In your life, in your entire journey, there will be incidences where you will have to take difficult decisions. I will come on that also. प्रिपरेशन के फेज़ में ऐसे काफ़ी सारे जगह हुए जहाँ पे मुझे डिसीजंस लेने थे, बट यू शुड टेक दोज डिसीजंस, कितना भी डिफ़िकल्ट क्यों ना हो, क्योंकि अभी जो प्रिपरेशन के फेज़ में होता है कि हो सकता है कि आप कुछ फ्रेंड्स को अनॉय कर देंगे, आपसे हो सकता है रिलेटिव्स खुश नहीं रहेंगे, बट व्हेन द रिजल्ट विल कम आउट, every other people will become your friend. So if something is disturbing you, if something is delaying your preparation, आप difficult decisions लें और उसको हटाए, मतलब जो भी अगर negative people हैं आपके आसपास, so उनसे दूरी बनाएं. If something is distracting you, then you should be intelligent enough to distance yourself from that thing. So वो सारा चीज़ मैं अपने preparation में किया. I want to say that whenever you get any failure or anything, then you have to analyze your mistakes. You have to work upon that. That will help you a lot in this preparation. You should not blame any other people. That is our habit. That whenever there is something bad, we say कि यार इसके वजह से हो गया, इस वजह से हो गया. अभी in that year actually I got fever in between the GS examination and anthropology, my optional. So because of that also it impacted, but then I thought कि अभी 2 दिन मेरा बर्बाद हो गया था, 5 दिन का टाइम मिलता है, द गैप बिटवीन GS पेपर्स एंड मेन ऑप्शनल पेपर. सो फिर मैं सोचा कि नहीं, 3 दिन है, मैं अच्छे से रिवाइज करूँगा एंड वट एवर माई पोटेंशियल इज़ आई विल ट्राई टू डिलीवर ऑन दैट. सो whenever you will face this kind of difficulty कि एग्ज़ाम के दिन ही फीवर हो जाएगा या कुछ होगा, उस समय अपने माइंड को बोलना है कि नहीं, मैं ये करूँगा, ये मैं करके दिखाऊँगा. So you will get that energy from inside which will push you, which will give you positive energy, जिसमें आप अच्छे एग्ज़ाम में जो है अच्छा कर पाएंगे. You have to keep in mind कि it might go for 2-3 years because you should give, I believe that you should give at least 2-3 good attempts. आपको अच्छे से प्रिपरेशन करना है एंड इट मे हैपन दैट यू मे नॉट बी एबल टू क्लियर इन फर्स्ट अटैम्प्ट और सेकंड अटैम्प्ट बिकॉज ऑफ वेरियस रीजंस. काफ़ी सारे एक्सटर्नलिटीज़ आ जाते हैं, एक्सटर्नल फैक्टर्स हो जाते हैं, बट यू शुड कीप इन माइंड कि आपको 2-3 अच्छे अटैम्प्ट देने हैं. इफ़ यू आर वेरी सीरियस, इफ़ यू आर वेरी मोटिवेटेड, देन यू शुड गिव. आई स्टिल रिमेंबर in 2019, I think 2018 or 2018, I was sitting there and Ashima Mittal ma'am, she came to deliver Topper's talk, and I was thinking that someday I will be here. So you guys, I think if I can do it, then anyone in this room can do it. It's just you need a concrete plan and then 100% dedication. When I came to Delhi, I was not very good in English as well. When I used to read newspaper, I used to find a difficulty in understanding the articles. Then I spoke with few of my friends. They suggested make a diary and write the words if you are not able to understand. And when I look at that diary, I find it very simple words which I was not aware of. So whatever you have that hurdle, please find a solution. There is always a solution to whatever problems that you are having. आप कुछ भी करोगे, आपको कोई ना कोई सॉल्यूशन निकल जाएगा, बट यू नीड टू हैव दैट पॉजिटिव माइंडसेट, पॉजिटिव आउटलुक दैट यस I will do it, one day I will do it, and whatever the hurdles will come, whatever the problems that I will face, I will find a solution. That thing you should always keep in mind. And believe me, there are many stories. All the toppers, they have to go through these struggles, and they might have faced more problems than me, definitely, and but they have all gone through that phase, and now they are in the list. So I think this mantra will help you a lot. शुरुआत में तो मुझे एंथ्रोपोलॉजी जैसा सब्जेक्ट होता है ये भी नहीं पता था कि ऐसा कुछ होता है. Once Ashima Mittal, she got 12th rank and she was from my college, and she was also from anthropology background. Then I came to know that there is a subject called anthropology, and it is looking promising. Then I looked the syllabus. So if you are into 2 to 3 months into preparation, I think that is the right time to decide optional, because you have a pretty decent idea of social sciences and any other subjects that are there.